Hi, this is Kim from Kim's Kitchen Affair, and I'm a food blogger. Today I'm going to show you how to do a charcutertini. A charcutertini is basically a charcuterie in a martini cup, and you just combine the words, so it's called charcutertini. Let's get started. So I have here 3 different types of cheese: manchego, goat cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, several different nuts, which is morcana nuts and cashew, dried figs, dried apricot, dried cranberry, fresh rosemary, pickles, olives, 2 different types of crackers, and biscotti, strawberry, grapes, blackberry, blueberry, a variety of salami. Okay, this is all I use. Oh, and also these picks that you can use right here. I just like to share my ideas, and that way you can do it yourself and see how simple it really is, and you get to have your own without having to share. Thanks for watching.